The outer skin of Wei Jie's tapioca pearls is delicate and soft, and the fillings are rich and colorful. You can choose from a variety of flavors, including sweet potato, red bean, mung bean, and more, delivering rich sweetness and a creamy texture with every bite. Wei Jie's tapioca pearls are made with a 3,500 RPM manufacturing process, which is different from ordinary tapioca pearls. The taste is more springy. It is paired with various fruits, syrups, and ice cream, and the taste is even more unforgettable. Camping is an exciting outdoor activity, and instant tapioca pearls can add deliciousness and fun to your camping trip. Sharing some instant tapioca pearls with family and friends and enjoying a warm, delicious dessert by the campfire is definitely an unforgettable experience. Our products do not add preservatives and flavors, and the packaging materials are also heat-resistant packaging materials, which can be heated directly. Whether you want to enjoy the fun of camping in the wild or taste it at home, Wei Jie's tapioca pearls are the best choice. Come and experience the charm of this Taiwanese food classic.